friends, welcome to my channel Sada UX Code. Today I am going to explain you about clip content concept. Along with clip content constraint also I will explain. Okay, I have taken a frame. When you select only frame, right? Now I will explain what is clip content and how it works. Actually, it will come inside the boundary line. It won't get outside of the frame boundary line. If you check this clip content, see, as of now it is not selected. See, if you select this oval and example this rectangle till here, right? Say this is a action bar something, it should come till here only, right? And this oval should be inside the frame, but it is not looking good. Okay, when you select a frame and just check the clip content here, see, this action bar is going to cut till here and this oval also going to cut till here, like this. See, this is the magic of clip content. See, you can make a background effect, backgrounds with this clip content, like this. Just fade it in inside the screen, like this, till the boundary line. It will be appear after the border line, it won't appear. But if you select and if you uncheck this clip content, see, all elements are appearing after the border line, right? This is the concept of content. I assume you people understand this. Like, now I'm going to explain you about constraint method. Assume we have one button here. We have one button or any cross mark, cross symbol, anything we have here, right? If you want to increase the frame, it won't come. I'm deleting this action bar. We don't require this one. Yeah, if I increase the frame size, see, it won't go to right side by default. It is fixed here. This element is fixed here itself and not coming to right side. But due to the constraint, we can achieve this is to automatically right side. How? Select this rectangle, select this, and here you can see the constraints. This should be right side. See, the constant should be right side. Now if you increase the frame, sorry, if you increase the frame, see, along with the frame, it will be move to right side. Same thing, I'm going to add a text here, title something else. Yeah, this should also come to center when you increase the frame, but it's not coming. Just I select a title element and this constant should be center. This horizontal constant should be center. Now see, along with the rectangle, this title also increasing with the frame. If you decrease it, it will be aligned. If you increase it, it will be aligned. This is the concept of constant. And vertical constant also we can explain, right? Yeah, I have selected one rectangle here. Assume this is a action bar, right? Yeah, I'm increasing the frame, but it's not increasing. This action bar is not increasing. This rectangle is not increasing. Select it. Just just select this rectangle, and it should be scale. So along with the frame, it will be scale like this. See, and vertically. Select the frame and increase the height. Now we have increased the width, right? It is scaling. Now we need to increase the height, but it should be come down, but it is not coming, right? This action bar should be come. Even if you increase the height, this bar should be come down. How? Just no, just select the rectangle and this vertical should be top to bottom. So it will be go to down on. See, it's going down. See, when you increase the frame or decrease the frame, it should be stick with the bottom of the frame. This rectangle is going to bottom and this button is going to right side. See, like this. When you increase the width and headboard, it should be stick to the constant points. So this is the concept of constant. This drop down is for horizontal constant, and this bottom drop down is for vertical constant. We can also change the directions through here, like this: left side, right side, center, right side, and top, bottom. See, like this also we can change. Multiple ways we can change, right? This is the concept of constants and clip content. If you like my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.